Hello, this is A Robin's Nest by Teri. Getting back on track and getting fit for life. The host is Grace Life DIY, Creating with Chris, and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Today, Chris is doing Total Body Fitness by Teri.
Okay, we're going to take the band behind our back, underneath our arms, open them out wide, and bring them together. So if you don't have a band, you can just use without any equipment at all. And 8, bring them in. Push them out to the window in front of you. And 8, you're going to punch it out to the corner of the room. Eight and 8, and bring it down to your chair. Have a seat. So you can do this without the band as well. Put the band under your feet. Hold on to both handles, lay all the way back, and come up towards your knees. And 8. This time you're going to separate the bands out, so when you come up, they go out, and put them together as you go back. And 8. Slip one foot out of the band, take it out to the side. And 8, cross your ankles, you're kicking it out diagonally. Okay, that heel comes down to the floor, straight out in front of you. Bring it up for 8. And 8. Switch legs. Bring it up and take it out to the side. And 8, you cross your ankles, kick it out diagonally for 8. And 8, heel to the ground, lift your foot up. And 8, bring it down. Both feet go in that band. You cross the band, pull them up, and you're going to step out with just your right foot. 6, 7, 8, other side. 7, 8, both are going to go out. 8, this time you're going out for 7. Other side. 7, both together. 6 on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, both of them. 5 on each side. 5 together. 4 on each side. 4 together. 3 on each side. 3 together. 2 on each side. 1, 1, 1. And bring it down. Okay, the band goes behind your back again, under your shoulder blades. You're going to punch one hand at a time out to the front. Eight and 8. This time both elbows are up. Push them out to the front. And 8, open your arms wide. Now you want to push the back of your hands to the back wall for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep them as far back as you can go. Now pulse them to the back for 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and bring them down. Remove the band, shoulder rolls to the back, and 4. Okay, the band goes back underneath both feet. The handles are laying in the palms of your hands. You're going to do bicep curls, just lift them up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn so it's a hammer curl. Take it down and pull it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Put them in the palm of your hands towards the back. You're leaned over at 45 degrees. Lift your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Keep them all the way up. Now pulse for 8. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and bring it down. Okay, your one foot is back inside of the band. You're going to touch in front of you with your heel. You're going to take it out to the side. And 8. Slip your other foot in. Take it out. And 8. And bring them together. Both feet, again, underneath the band. Cross them between your legs. Your feet are in. Lean back. Keep those elbows out as you come up. Seven, and 1 more for 8. And that's it.